In this video, we're going to be looking at the inPod 12 wireless earbud, which is listed in EZBuy for only $5. Now, are they really good? Can they actually deliver a good performance? Well, stay tuned because we're going to find out all the answers right now. Hi everyone, this is Johnny here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we'll actually be reviewing the inPod 12 wireless earbud, which I actually recently bought from EZBuy for only $5. Those of you who have actually watched my unboxing and my initial impression, this will be my in-depth review on this particular earbud. And of course, I hope that it will be able to actually help you to decide whether is this wireless earbud, which is listed at $5 from EZBuy, whether is it worthwhile for you to actually buy it. Just for your information, I actually bought this wireless earbud with my own money. Alright, so this video is actually not sponsored at all. Alright, so I'm gonna start out the video talking about the initial build, talking about my initial impression, after I actually did the unboxing about 2 or 3 weeks ago. And then I'll move on to comfort, I'll move on to fit, I'll move on to connectivity, and most importantly, where I will also be going into the most important part, which is the music quality, the audio quality and microphone quality. First things first is I'm going to be talking about the quality of it. All right, the exterior. I would say is that when I first unbox it, all right, the material of the wireless earbud, it feels like rubber. How would I put it? It feels like it's silicone. And of course, when I first took it out from the box itself, it reminds me of AirPod. All right, so those of you who have Apple AirPods, you know what I mean. The entire design is like that, okay? But of course, it does not have that smooth, shiny surface of the Apple AirPods, all right? But just that it replaces it with this like a silicone layer, all right? That gives it a bit of I think a grip, all right, when I was moving through it, right? Running my finger around it. Now, the same material, it continue on into the earbuds. All right, so the design of the earbuds itself, again, it's identical, or I would say it's similar to Apple AirPods. All right, so that's the initial. And in terms of connectivity, all right, I was actually pretty surprised that it actually shares the same connection as my iPhone. Right, it actually uses the lightning connector. If you have any iPhone at home, right, you can just use the lightning port, just plug it into the earbuds and then it will charge right away. Now, in terms of battery life, I would say it's pretty okay. It lasts about 2 hours, 2.5 hours per charge. The casing itself lasts about 3 charges max, right? Maybe about 2.5, 3 charges. All right, so that's in terms of the battery life. Charging it up from 0 to 100, I mean for the earbuds, it takes about maybe less than an hour. Okay, the charging case itself, you want to recharge it up back to 100%, it takes about, if I'm not wrong, I think it took about 3 to 4 hours. Okay, so that's the battery portion. And now we'll actually move on to the connectivity. All right, one very interesting thing, of course, is that I'll come to that a little bit later. Now, in terms of pairing, whether it's you're using your Android phone or using your iPhone, is pretty easy. Once it's paired, it's identified. You will see that the code name is called i12. So now, the interesting thing for the inPod 12 is that when it's connected to your iPhone, it actually gives the same animation as the AirPod. All right, that's something interesting. Make it fun. All right. Now, but I'll be coming down to actually the very disappointing part. All right, which is the audio quality. In all honesty, don't expect too much from it. This $5 wireless earbud all right? The audio quality is worse than a Daiso $2 earpiece. Yeah, okay, you heard that from me. I feel that the audio quality is worse than a $2 Daiso wired earpiece. There's no stereo to speak about, but it performs. Okay, it does what it's supposed to do, which is to bring sound from your phone or from your laptop out through Bluetooth, through the earbuds and into your ear. That's it. Okay, job done. Okay, so please do not expect any like awesome quality. All right, it's horrible. In terms of microphone, don't expect too much. Later on, okay, you see some audio tests and the microphone test, you can judge it for yourself. This is how your voice sounds like using the i12 earbuds. This is how your voice sounds like using the i12 earbuds. Okay, so now, okay, you have seen the audio test, you've seen your microphone test. So in conclusion, if you ask me, is it worth it? I would say I would rather you keep the $5 and buy 2 plates of chap chai peng or a nice bowl of noodle or wonton mee, okay? $5, alright? Rather you spend it on this, $5 wireless earbuds, you're gonna bring pain to your ear. So you heard it from me, save your $5 on a good meal rather than spend it on this $5 EZBuy earbuds, alright? Thank me later. That's my review of the inPod 12 wireless earbud. Alright, so that's all the time we have today. I hope that this video has actually helped you to decide whether, this particular earbud, is it worthwhile? Is it worth the money? Is it worth getting it? Okay, so till the next video, see ya!